Hello, good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I will present my presentation about exploring the understanding of Islamic financial literacy and its implication for saving behavior. Author in article me, Ayunda Putri Nilasari, Erni Puji Astuti, Zeni Rizky Wulandari, Yuni Dwi Antika, Riana Fadiatun Aribah. The background of article first, Islamic financial literacy is very important to make the real financial decision and in accordance with Sharia principle. Second, literacy in 2009 to security checking and financial screening to 18. We saw that adult literacy has increased compared to 2024. The financial inclusion index is still much higher, which indicated that many people can access financial service, but their knowledge is not enough. In addition, the strict difference in the chart of conventional and Islamic banks show that there are still many people want to know well the difference between Islamic and conventional financial products and do not understand the benefit and Islamic value context in Islamic financial practice by Ojika 2020. Third, improve Islamic financial literacy is Islamic country Malaysia, Turkey, Sub-Saharan Africa, and Indonesia request a multi-phase approach by taking into account social geographic factor, improving education program, and implementing policies that support better financial making and the economy well-being. Finally, Islamic is a prominent market to the Islamic financial industry because most of the population is Muslim. However, that potential has not been fully used due to the level of Islamic financial literacy among the community. This is a picture about literacy in Indonesia. Proper indicated in this article, Law Islamic financial literacy reduces an Indonesian ability to manage financial will as affect an individual financial PP. Law Islamic financial literacy has a wide impact on the financial behavior, welfare, and financial performance of individual and MSMEs. This conditional is accepted by limited dissemination of information and education about Islamic finance, both in formal education institution and the community. Now, Islamic financial literacy also has an impact of financial inclusion and the use in Islam financial product, hindering a threat of sustainable development goals (SDGs) and Masjid al-Sharia, which are basic principles in Islamic financial to achieve social and economic poverty. And then, what request question? First, how to Islamic financial literacy play a role in shaping saving interests about the public? And second, how are efforts of increasing participation in Islamic financial institutions? Next, request a chat this article to analyze the role of Islamic financial literacy in shaping saving interest among the public, and then to identify effort to increase participation in Islamic financial institutions. Uh, this article uses research methodology, type of research literature review. We use Scopus Index Journal 17, Syntax Index Journal 8, DOAG 4, Book and or Proceeding or Report 6, the total academic reference 35. The research journal, Princess Judy and Uchika report, analytic approach, descriptive and comparative object. We explore how Islam financial literacy influence saving behavior at Islamic banks. Research and discussion. A study conducted by Putri and Rahmat show that the level of public literacy toward the Islamic financial system contribution 47 to formatting of interest in saving and Sharia-based financial institutions. The figure shows the literacy aspect play an important role in saving people, participants, and tending toward financial behavior, especially to choose instrument or institution to saving. Furthermore, the level of understanding of the difference between Islam and conventional banking product, as well as aware of spirit and ethical value in financial transaction, always affect in term to the individual feel comfortable and confident in deposit their fund with Islamic bank. And then a person has the knowledge of Sharia principle in finance. It's not necessarily led them to direct save in Islamic banking without any confidence in the credible and government of the institutional. Therefore, building a positive image for public trust is very important for Islamic bank in the increasing loyalty and question the new customer. Next, person value as a hasty, fairness, and the desk to avoid economy principle that contain element of riba, grahar, and measure, as also strong internal motivation for individual in entertaining their preference for financial institution. Individuals with high integrity and ethic value tend to be more selective in choosing financial products and more trust in the Islamic economic system with believed to be fair, transparent, and free from exploitation. The accessibility and availability of the service network are also important factors to increase interest in saving. The availability of branch, ATM, or Islamic banking accounts that are even distributed in the rural or remote area can encourage people to choose the rather Islamic financial service. The easier it is to access, the higher or labor the people will choose it. Finally, social and cultural influence are important aspects that should not be ignored. Recommendation for religion leader, community leader, family, close friend, and religious community have a huge influence in shaping public opinion and division. Expressing in the context of Indonesian social, which is acting very thick with a culture and conflicts. Policy recommendation this article for governments and banks area and many people profits transparent and counting Sharia audit consist Sharia training and trending of Islamic contract and product. Salah satu Sharia sport or SSP according collaboration between OJK, bank and university. I think enough for our presentation. Thank you very much.